So earlier we had 3 inches, right? You had 3 and then it fell, but you have the record so far. Really impressive. All right, let's see. Yep, 3.5. All right. So table 9 has beat my record already. Cantilevers. We've been talking about how anything that is connected on one end but not on the other, hanging out over an edge, is a cantilever. This ruler, for example, right now is being a cantilever, and I'm showing that it is 1 inch off the edge here. And the most I can get with this one domino, it just keeps falling. So how do I get this domino to 1 inch? Well, I noticed when the front falls down, the back flips up. So if I can keep that back down, I can push it further out. So I'm going to use another domino. And now look at this. Now I can slide this further out past 1 inch. So there's the trick. All I need to do is a counterbalance. And what I like to do, get as close to the edge as I can. And then I put one on top. All right, so there's 1 inch. How do I go past that? I can add another one right here, but it's gonna wanna flip. So how do I keep the back end from flipping up? I need something to hold it, the back end down. And there we go. Now I'm at 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches. And I want to go here, but I need to keep it from flipping over. Now this is where it gets interesting. If I have too much weight in the left, it's going to fall. So I'm going to add some more weight to the back end. And some of you said it looks like stairs. It's kind of like adding stairs. Now I can put this on the edge as long as gravity!